Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can create an account on your Fiverr website. So in order to do that, all you need to do is go to this website fiverr.com, and after that, once you're in this page, you'll see this option that says join. Just tap on it. Now you can either create your account through Google, email, Apple or Facebook. I'm going to be choosing Google. Tap on any email that you want, tap on continue, just type in a username that you would like. Once you've typed in, now just tap on create your account. And there you go guys, you have successfully created an account. If you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.